Hello friends, let's solve question number 2. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeters subtends an angle of 120 degrees at center. So let's write whatever was given in the information. So given, what did they give? Radius, they have given it as 12 centimeters. Radius equals to 12 centimeters. I am writing the same thing here. Angle at center, they have given it as 120 degrees. So find the area of the corresponding minor segment of the circle. So they have told here angle is how much? Angle they have given it as 120 degrees. So they have asked us to find the minor segment. So pi value they asked us to take it as 3.14 and root 3 value they have asked us to take it as 1.732. So we need to find the area of minor segment. Now let's proceed into the solution. See here in this figure, this O is this is a circle with center O is the center. So they told that angle formed at the center is how much that they gave? They have given it as 120 degrees. It will be like somewhere it will come. So like this it will be. Okay, because 120 degrees, right? So I am writing 120 here. So the chord will be formed like this. From A to B, AB chord. Okay. So now we need to find out this area of minor segment. This we need to find out. Okay. So here when you see for the triangle, this is O. For the triangle AOB, what can be the area of triangle formula? Here OA is radius and OB is also radius. Radius how much? They have given it as 12 centimeters. That is 12 centimeters. When you see here, what is area of triangle formula? Usually it's 1 by 2 into base into height. But here when you see the triangle is like this. Yeah. See, for this triangle the base will be AB and height. Here for altitude what will I do? I will draw just a perpendicular. Okay. Perpendicular bisector I will draw. Okay, for AP. So for this, what will be the area of triangle formula becomes 1 by 2 into AB into OP. When you see here, you don't know either AB value or you don't know either OP value, but you have to find it out. See how will I do here? See, I told you that I will draw a perpendicular bisector from O to P. Okay, such that when you draw a perpendicular bisector, it means what? Let the perpendicular bisector be OP such that AP equals to PB. Write the same thing here. Okay, see here I have drawn a perpendicular bisector. Bisects means what? It divides some line segment or some chord into two equal parts. When it divides this into equal parts, it also divides the angle into two equal parts. So here when you see, here it comes 60 degrees, here also it comes 60 degrees. Clear? This is 60 degrees it becomes, this is also 60 degrees it becomes. So I am drawing the two triangles side by side so that it's clear to understand for you. Okay. Consider this O. I am putting O here. Here also I am putting O. This is 60 degrees. This is also 60 degrees because I am taking two triangles side by side. Clear? So when you take O here, this becomes AP. Okay. And this becomes BP. Okay. This becomes AP and the other one becomes BP. So when you see here, AP equals to BP, we know that. But here we have to find out either one of its value. So here what will I do? To finding one value, when you see OA is hypotenuse, I want any one value. So this is what? It is opposite side. This is adjacent side. Correct? So we know angle. What is the hypotenuse? We know it as OA is 12 centimeters. We know OB value is also as 12 centimeters. Okay. So in order to get opposite side, can I use sine 60? Yes. See here, I have to find out opposite, that is AP value I have to find out. So what will I do here? I'll apply trigonometric functions. So sin 60 I am applying so that you will get opposite side, which is AB. Sin 60 equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. What is sin 60 value? It is root 3 by 2 equals to what is opposite side? That is, we need to find out, put it as AP by hypotenuse. It is 12 centimeters. So 2 ones are 2 6 are. So from this, AP is nothing but 6 root 3. What is the units? It is centimeters. So we got AP value as 6 root 3 centimeters. Since AP equals to PB, that is equals to 6 root 3. For this also it becomes 6 root 3 centimeters. Therefore, AB equals to AP plus PB, that is equals to 6 root 3 plus 6 root 3. How much does it becomes? It is 12 root 3 centimeters. So what is this? Therefore, AB value you got it as 12 root 3 centimeters. Put it in a box. So here, for the triangle base you got, but you want OP value. So when you see here, this is OP. This is OP, right? So in order to get the adjacent side, what is the trigonometric ratio can you use? It is cos. So cos 60 equals to, same triangle I am using. You can use either this triangle also, but anyways I have solved the opposite side by first triangle only. So I am using the same triangle for OP value also. Cos 60 equals to, what is the formula? Cos function formula? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is equals to, what is adjacent side? It is OP. OP by, what is hypotenuse? It is 12 centimeters. Okay. So what is cos 60 value? It is 1 by 2 equals to OP by 12. 2 ones are 2 6 are. That implies OP equals to how much? It is 6 centimeters. So you got OP value. See here, for area of triangle formula you want to get AB and OP, but here you got both the values. You got AB value, you got OP value also. So next step what we need to do? Therefore, area of segment, they asked us to find the minor segment, right? See here in the figure here, some AQB, okay? Area of minor segment AQB equals to area of segment, right in brackets, area of minor segment AQB equals to area of sector. What is the sector here? See in the figure, what is the sector? OAQB, area of sector OAQB minus area of triangle OAB. This is the formula. Let us proceed further. Let's write the formula first. What is the formula? X degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square minus 1 by 2 into base is what in the figure we have taken it as AB into OP, right? This is base and this is height. Okay, this is perpendicular bisector and this is AP side base. So X degrees, what is the angle they have given here? Let's see. Here angle, right in brackets, angle AOB, they have given it as 120 degrees. So we have to assume it as X. So that we need to substitute this value in the X. See here, 120 by 360 into, they have given the pi value as 3.14. What is the radius? It is 12 square. Minus 1 by 2 into, let's see what is the value of AB and OP. See here, AB is 12 root 3, OP is 6. Right here, 1 by 2 into 12 root 3 into 6. So 2 ones are, 2 threes are. Clear? So 120 ones are, 123s are. So what does it become? It becomes 3.14 into 12 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 fours are it is. So minus 12 root 3 into 3. Okay. See, here what will I do? I will take 12 common. Okay. Let's see what does it become. 12, when you take 12 common, 3.14 into 4 minus 3 root 3. Okay. So what is the root 3 value? They have given it as 1.732, right? Minus 3 into 1.732. So what will I do here? I will just multiply. 4 4 is 16, 4 1 is 4 plus 1 5, 4 3 is 12. So it becomes 12.56 minus 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 7 is 21. So it's 5.196. So 12.56, 5.196. Let's subtract. 10 minus 6 it is 4, 15 minus 9 it is 6. So 4 minus 1 it is 3. 12 minus 5 it is 7. So 7.364. So 12 into 7.364. Let's do multiplication now. It's so easy. 12 4s are 48. 12 6 are 72. 72 plus 4 76. 12 3s are 36. 7 43. 12 7s are 98 plus 4 102. Okay. The answer will be 102.368. Sorry friends, I have did a mistake here. See here. 12 into 7.364. Let's do the multiplication now again. See. 12 4s are 48. 12 6 is 72 plus 4 it is 76. 12 3 is 36 plus 7 43. 12 7s are 84 plus 4 88. Okay. Here I have taken 9. It's my mistake. Okay. So it's 88.368. So the solution is 88.368 square centimeters. What is this? This is area of minor segment AQP. So let me re-explain this very briefly. See here, they have given the radius as 12 centimeters. So the angle is 120 degrees. So we need to find out the area of minor segment AQB. So the angle is 120 degrees. But when you see here, when you consider this as a triangle, usually the area of a triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. In the previous problem, since the triangle is a right angle triangle, you'll get obviously base and height as radius only. But this is a different problem. See, you have to do this like this only. See here, the angle is 120 degrees. Here the angle formed at O is 120 degrees. So what will I do? In order to find the AB value and OP will become the altitude, OP value, what will I do? I will draw a perpendicular bisector such that this bisector divides the angle into two equal parts. Okay. So angle AOP becomes 60 degrees and angle BOP will become 60 degrees. Okay. So write the same thing, and angle AOP equals to 60 and angle BOP equals to 60 degrees. Okay. Angle AOP, BOP 60 degrees will be there. So here for understanding purpose, I have drawn the two different triangles. Same thing. See here, this part I have just written here and this part I have written here. That's it. So why did I draw like this? Because you know the angle, but you don't know opposite side or adjacent side, anything, because you want OP value as well as AB value. See here, AB value is nothing but AP plus PB, but you don't know either AP value or BP value. Okay, since this is the perpendicular bisector, it means what? AP equals to PB. So you can choose whichever you want to do first, but here I have just found out what is AB first. Okay, so for that I have taken sine 60, which is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. So based on that I have got OP value. Since we have drawn a perpendicular bisector, it means that AP equals to PB. Therefore, PB value also will get it as 6 root 3. So AB value is nothing but AP plus PB, right? So 6 root 3 plus 6 root 3 will get it as 12 root 3. So you got one base you got, but altitude you want. So in the triangle you want OP. Whichever triangle you want you can consider, but here I am considering only the first triangle. Okay. So here cos, when you apply cos functionality, it's nothing but cos theta equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So from cos functionality I will get the adjacent side, that is OP value as 6 centimeters. So you got the area of triangle value is what you need to find. So from that, area of segment AQB, So this area of segment AQB equals to area of sector OAQB minus area of triangle OAB. This is the formula. Clear? Yes. See here, x degrees is nothing but the angle they have given. So I have just substituted. This is just simplification. So base AB we got it as 12 root 3 and OP value we got it as 6. Okay, this is just very simplification. But be careful. See, in the last step I did a mistake. So I am telling you again, be careful. So this is the solution. So the answer is 88.368 square centimeters. So this is the solution. I hope the explanation is very clear, and this is very important question from your exam point of view. So I hope you people like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.